gotta step out of the darkness if you wanna see the light. You gotta learn you can't get it wrong if you ever wanna get it right. Let me be your lighthouse if you ever lose your route. Let me be the one to guide you, yeah. Let me shine on you. Babe, let me shine on you. I'm your lighthouse, let me shine on you. Come step into my office, I got a couple things to say. You know it's hard to accept love until you give it all away. Tell me all that you're afraid of, what makes you scared in the night, and I'll show you what I'm made of. Stand in front of you and fight. Let me be your lighthouse. If you ever lose your route, let me be the one to guide you.
Eggs hidden in the front yard.
Really? You need the basket to pick them up with. Wow, look at that. You already got one. I'll leave you two, actually.
Leaf piles.
Found one, guys.
Oh.
Look.
Cool.
Look at this one. I found one.
Where was it?
It was right here, hidden.
Whoa, let's see. What is in there?
My dad said that this is the...
Let's see.
Look! It fits me!
Yay! Look at that.
Perfect size.
Woohoo! Now we're all ready to go out.
Oh, yes!
Yay!
Yes.
Thanks, Bunny.
Thanks. Nice throw. That was really good.
Let me shine on you. Be your guide, babe. Let me shine on you. I'm your lighthouse. Let me shine on you. Let me shine on you. Be your guide, babe. Let me shine on you. Let me shine on you. I'm your
Ah, I think I got you.
No, you didn't get it out. That time you did. Wait, can I cut it?
Yes, stop it.
Let me shine on you. If there's anything that I could do to help you get a little closer to the truth, baby, you're a star. Keep on shining where you are. I'll be watching from afar till you see it through. You don't ever have to feel like you're alone. Sometimes it's overwhelming.
See you later,
If I have a
camera.
little